Raptor's high temperature wheel paint is chemically resistant to oils, brake dust, traffic film, and heat resistant up to 120 degrees Celsius. Its tough and unique formulation makes it more UV and fade resistant than other alloy wheel paints and has great impact resistance. Before we do anything, we recommend gearing up with a respirator, a pair of safety goggles, and latex or nitrile gloves. First up, we're going to clean the surface with a solvent-based degreaser and give the surface a sand with P400 to 600 grit sandpaper. Then we're going to blow off and degrease the surface again, ready for paint. Keep in mind that if your wheels are powder coated, you'll need to use Raptor's adhesion promoter to make sure that it adheres properly. Now that we've prepared the surface, we're going to shake the can for 2 minutes and apply 2 to 3 even coats at 15 to 25 centimeters from the surface. For this job today, we've decided to go with the satin black. Flush off about 3 to 5 minutes in between coats, and the surface should be touch dry in about 20 minutes and through dry in about 60. Once you're finished, invert the can and spray it until only propellant comes out, and you can chuck it back on the shelf for next time. It's 5 times tougher than other products on the market, it has excellent adhesion, it has a clog-free nozzle, and it's heat and UV resistant up to 120 degrees Celsius. For more information on the products in this range and to have a look at our safety and technical data sheets, head to raptorcoatings.com.au.